guys, sobrang kalat dito sa Blue Room. Kaya ang gagawin namin ay before and after. We're gonna clean the Blue Room. Yo, so may challenge kami ngayon. Ang challenge namin ay English for a day. Mga English lang tayo. Okay. Tatawag tayo. Wait lang. English for a day. Why? Why? Ay, dito. Bakit? Why? Amin na, bato mo.
Gagawin na naman ni Julian.
Oh. Sabot.
Nahulog.
Skara, anak. Juliana.
Yung malis ka dito, mag-drawing ka lang kayo.
Yan, wait lang ah. Wait guys. So, English lang tayo ha. 1, 2, 3, English lang tayo. Hi guys. We just cleaning our room. So, ay sorry. Ano yun? Sorry. We named this room is Blue Room. It's so messy in here.
It's so dirty. And we're
Let's
gonna find,
clean. Come on.
and we're gonna find the remote of the aircon.
Yeah.
Yes, so we need equipment.
Wait lang guys, hindi ako magtagalog. Hinahanap po kasi namin yung remote ng aircon, kaya po yung sa babis po kami.
Bro, we need this.
Okay. We just clean the toys and just clean and wash. I wash.
Wash,
I don't know.
clean and
Brush the mess and the dough.
This is so messy.
It's so messy. It's so hot.
It's not
That's right.
I can find the
aircon
remotes.
remote of the
I
aircon.
want to find that because
It's so hot, guys.
after we clean, gonna clean.
Guys, before and after. So, kapag
We're gonna play after.
So, if this video is finishes, it's have part 2. Okay, guys.
How to clean a room.
Yeah, it's a blue room.
Maglilinis ka.
We just halo.
Umalis ka dito.
Yes, halo.